What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Sharm is here and today I'm going to talk about 4 types of camera lenses. So let's dig in to see what I've got for you. Number 1, fisheye lens is used to get 180-degree photos and is good for abstract and creative photography. The important thing about this type of lens is that it comes with prime focus, meaning fixed distance. Number 2, prime lens is a fixed focal lens and is heavier because there are more glasses inside the lens. For this reason, we can get very sharp photo. We use this lens for modeling and commercial photography, but we need varying distance lenses for this purpose. An important thing about this type of photography is that there should not be any change in distance when we use this type of lenses. Otherwise, we need to change the lens. The important thing is that we don't have a zoom option on these type of lenses, but only focus. Number 3, zoom lens. A zoom lens is used for all types of photography. There are no boundaries and we don't need to change the lens if an object is moving. We can get photos at short or long distances. The important thing about this type of lenses is that we have both focus and zoom options. Number 4, telephoto lens is for long distance photography, but we cannot get any photos from short distances. We can use for sport photography, etc. The important thing about this type of lenses is that they come in both prime, fixed focal length and zoom varieties. Thank you so much for watching this and hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for upcoming video. Thanks.